Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log into your Chase account on your desktop. So if you're having trouble logging into your Chase account, this video might help you. So make sure to watch till the end. Now let's move forward. First of all you need to do is open a web browser and then type chase.com. Now you will be directed to the website of Chase. So on your screen, as you can see on your right corner, you will be asked to provide your username, your password. So provide your username and then your password. And then just below it, you will see an sign in option. So just click on there and you will be signed in to your Chase account. Or if you forgot your username or your password, click on there and you will be able to recover it again. Or if you haven't enrolled or signed up for your Chase account, just click on this option and then you will be again able to register your Chase account. Or else you can also use your token to sign in into your Chase account. So after you're done with all this, just click on sign in option and in this way you will be signed in to your Chase account. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and give us a like, and if you have any question, just feel free to comment down below.